All right, let's bring in today's panel. Scott Martin from Kingsview Asset Management. He is a Fox News contributor, and Heather Zumarraga from Vision 4. Thanks for joining us. What do you make of all the different cross currents here, Scott? I mean, you got the inflation fears out there. We're watching. So many people are asking me what's going on with oil.
Yeah, a typical day in 2018, I guess, Melissa. You know, that's what makes it fun. I mean, that's what makes a market a good time and, frankly, an opportunity for investors is when you have these cross currents, as you mentioned, kind of pushing and pulling certain things. For our work, our best advice to our clients recently has been to take advantage of the U.S. pulling out of the Iran deal and certainly take advantage of the summer driving season coming up and take advantage of what we believe is a strengthening U.S. and global economy on the oil side. We've bought into AMLP recently, which is the MLP ETF, as the pipelines transport all that oil and gas to the United States. So to us, Melissa, you have to take these news points as opportunities, but also take them as chances to get in and use some of the cash maybe you've kept on the sidelines. Heather,
but, you know, the top line, I mean, we see the day-to-day reaction, and whether it's stocks or whatever else on the fear, inflation, we're scared of it yesterday. We feel better about it today. You watch oil. But then there are real long-term things. For example, you know, the president changed the rules on ethanol and how you could sell it year-round and where different blends could go. And it's a quiet move that's meaningful for gas and oil in the long run because less pesky regulation in that group means lower prices. However you feel about where you want those different fuels to go, you know, that's like a sneaky thing that's going to offset what's going on in Iran. What do you think?
Well, I think oil prices will continue to head higher as long as we're looking at reimposing sanctions in Iran. Iran exports right now 2.62 million barrels of oil every day, 38% of which comes from Europe. So if Europe is afraid to do business with Iran, firms are already cutting back on buying oil from Iran, and that is also putting upward pressure on oil prices today, as we're seeing, and prices at the pump, because Europe is afraid of U.S. secondary sanctions against them, so they don't want to buy from Iran either. So the oil story is a long-term play, and we're not seeing inflation right now, but over the long run, I think we will.
And let's keep it on the positive side. For all the bad news internationally, jobless claims right here are holding steady at nearly a 49-year low. 211,000 people filed new unemployment claims in the week ending May 5. Let's bring Heather and Scott back. Heather, let me start with you, keep you on a positive mode here, because look at this. We've got figures that just came out in the Wall Street Journal yesterday. The number of job openings in the U.S., 6.55 million. The number of folks looking for jobs, 6.59 million, almost exactly the same. That is essentially full employment, and that's an incredibly good story.
It is. It's an incredibly good story, David, that the unemployment rate remains very low, below 4%. We're at 3.9%, level that we haven't seen since the year 2000. And that's very important because if people want a job, they're getting a job. That's what the report and the data is suggesting. Also, 193 job openings, 193,000 openings were filled in the business sector. There still is that skills gap, but employees are looking for people with presentation skills and spreadsheet navigation, which I don't really have, but those are the types of skills that employees need if you want a job.
I think you'll do fine in this market. Scott, the point is when folks feel comfortable about their work, they spend more money, they take out mortgages. It's good for the whole economy.
It is, David. I agree, too. Heather, you'll do fine in presentation skills for sure. But the reality is this, though. There is a serious skills gap, though, out there, David, which does worry me to some degree. I mean, let's look at some of the sectors. You look at, like, software, engineering, Heather mentioned the spreadsheet side of things, computing. You're talking about seriously low unemployment rates. I mean, around 2%, if you can believe it. I mean, they're giving jobs away. The problem is they haven't found the applicable workers there. So, to me, we still need to kind of
But you're looking for a dark lining in a silver cloud, Scott. That's not like you.
David, somebody had to, because that's the reality of how things are going to be going forward if we don't get better education for a lot of our kids.
I'll tell you,
that.
With a 25-year-old daughter, I'm very glad at the job situation right now. She's doing great in the job market, and I want to keep it that way. Gang,
don't forget Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to your wife and mother of your daughter.
Thank you. Don't forget, Scott.
David.
Thanks a lot, gang. I appreciate it.